So how many times in life have you been here? You said, I can't do something because I don't have the necessary resources, or I don't have the right education, or I'm not where I want to be in life. And you just settle for that. Right? I can't. So what I'm going to challenge you with today is to flip the script. Say, I can. How many times have you told yourself, driving to work, and you're like, I can't have that meeting, or I can't meet with this person today, I can't talk to my boyfriend, I can't do this, I can't have that conversation. And we just constantly live in the I can'ts. When if we just changed our perspective, and we just said, I can. And there was a story in the Bible, Paul the Apostle, and again, I don't want to get too spiritual on you, but I do. It's in Philippians chapter 4. I don't remember the verse exactly, and you can look it up on the internet, but he said, I have learned the secret of being content in any and every situation, either living in want or living in plenty. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. He didn't say I can't. He didn't say, I'm wrestling with these things that I said that I can't do. He said he pressed in while he is in prison. Oh, man. I can. You can. We all can if we just reframe things. We're just so caught up in the I can'ts, right? And we don't want to just stop for a moment in our life and say, I can. I believe in me, and it starts with you changing your thinking, me changing my thinking. Because if you believe that you are who you are because you're a product of your environment, whether it's a debate of psychology or sociology, it doesn't matter. It all starts in your mind. It starts with the things in between your ears. And if you stop and you change your thinking, stop saying I can't, start with saying I can, what would your day look like? What would your week look like? What would your month look like? You just said every day for a month, I can. Then what do you think the next quarter would look like? The next year would look like? If you just embrace the idea that I can. Don't let the haters hate. Because they are. They're gonna come in out of the droves. They're gonna come in from the miles. Just like, look at this yard right here. They're gonna come in there like Field of Dream style, and they're gonna come in like and say, no, you can't do it. Oh, I can't? I can't cut all this grass? I can, and I've done. So if I can do it, you can do it. So it starts with learning to say that I can and stop saying I can't. We have to let go and let God. God bless you.